In this video, we're going to talk about Aputure's new 600C Pro 2 light. Real quick, you're watching VP Land. Special thanks to our sponsors for helping make these videos possible, Blackmagic and Unveils. And now, back to the video. All right, I'm here with Mitch from Aputure. Mitch, good to see you.
Nice to see you.
So yeah, tell me what you got going on with the new 600 Pro 2.
So this is the LS600C for color Pro Mark II. The advantage to this light, when we came out with the original, it was a very powerful system, a very versatile device, but we wanted to get some more out of it as we evolved the technology. So the main advantage came in our COP design, the chip on board, the emitter system. The first was that we were just able to up the output. We improved certain parts of the emitters so that even as a bare light with nothing on the front, 35% brighter.
Okay.
And then what we did is that we improved the heat sink behind the emitters, because the thing with LED light, people think of them as cool lights, but at the surface, they generate a lot of heat. And if you don't dissipate the heat off of them, they'll burn themselves up, right? So you concentrate all these things together. We improved that heat sink system. It was able to suck out a lot more heat, and that allowed us to take all those same emitters and squeeze them into a smaller space. Mm-hmm. What that does for you is that it improves the functionality when you put a modifier on the front. So our regular dishes that, they're intensifiers, or our lenses. So this is our F10 Fresnel. With this, depending on what beam angle you select and what color is coming out, you get about almost twice the brightness. 85% brighter in most cases, but in certain cases you can actually double the output of the light just based on these two things of having a little bit brighter LEDs and then concentrating them together.
Compared to the original 600C?
Compared to the previous version of the 600C.
Okay.
And mind you, the price is the same. We kept the price the same. The next improvement we did was that people were saying, we really love these lights. We want to be able to use them in all sorts of conditions because these are our workhorse machines. So it has all new seals, a new system of being able to separate the boards inside. And what that did is allowed us to get IP54 rating through the entire system. So this way you can have it, shoot it in the rain, shoot it in other extreme environments, as they say, and just be able to use it all the time and not have to worry about it. IP54 rating. And then the third advantage that we did was that we improved what is called the hypersync technology. That is the way the dimming works in the light. And so as much as it's brighter, it also can get dimmer, so that as you dim the light down, what will happen with some LEDs is that they'll dim down this much, and then so that the color doesn't shift and get weird, and at a certain point it'll just drop off to nothing. Right. Well, if you want to do a dimming in the shot, if you want to actively do a cue and have that light change in the shot, you want to have that go smoothly down. So this gets incredibly dimmed, very, very smooth before then it finally turns off. 0.1%.
Right, so you can do fractions of the percentage now.
Exactly, you get very, very smoothly. So you get brighter and you can get dimmer, and you do that continuously very, very nicely. And the last thing that's most important is what didn't change. Not only is it the same price, but also it's the same form factor. So all our accessories will work with the light. So if you've already invested in things, if you have other Aputure products, you can just use it, not a problem.
Nice. And now, it's not pictured here, but the amplifier that it does come with, that is different than the previous one?
Yes, the reflector is a slightly different shape because the cob is a slightly different shape. And so that allows it to align properly so that you still get the same beam out of it.
Does it produce the same beam as the previous version? Or
it does.
Okay.
Yes. So the rating on the beam angle on the previous one, people were saying, oh, this number has changed from what the previous. It was the combination of the two of them. You were looking at a beam differently. So people think that like, oh, well, Aputure's just saying it's brighter because they made it a tighter beam. That's not the case. If you actually take the two lights and you put them up next to each other, you see the beam looks identical. As far as the spread of the beam.
Yeah.
It's just that with this one, with its new reflector, because of the different shape of the cob, we're giving you that same beam. We had to extend it a little in order for that beam to shape the same. So the math is different. So we had to say the number is different. But in the end, it looks the same. It looks the same spread. It's just a little bit brighter with this one.
Got it. And availability for?
They're shipping.
They're
So
shipping now. Okay.
you can order it now. We have a bit of a back order. People got excited about it, but in a month they'll have it.
Cool. Well, thanks for the update, Mitch. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thank you.
And that's it for this video. Be sure to check out the rest of our Cinegear coverage over here and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next episode.